Hey there, everyone. Today we're diving into some pretty fascinating territory: how you can actually rewire your brain and boost your self discipline. And trust me, this isn't just some fluffy self help stuff. What I'm about to share is grounded in real science and can genuinely change the way your brain works. So, let's start with a simple truth: your brain is always changing. Every thought you have, every action you take, and every moment of focus is shaping your brain. The big question is, are you taking control of this process, or are you just letting it happen to you? The good news is you can absolutely take charge. There are some advanced modern techniques out there that can help you become the architect of your own mind. Today, we're going to explore these methods, break down the science behind them, and talk about how you can start using them to make real, lasting changes in your life. Let's kick things off with something called biofeedback training. Imagine being able to actually see what's happening in your body and mind, and then learning how to control it. Sounds cool, right? With biofeedback, you can do just that. For example, EEG biofeedback, also known as neurofeedback, lets you watch your brainwaves in real time. HRV biofeedback helps you monitor your heart rate variability, which is super important for managing stress. And EMG biofeedback focuses on muscle tension, helping you relax both mentally and physically. And the benefits? They're pretty awesome. Regular biofeedback training can help you focus better, reduce anxiety and stress, boost your cognitive performance, and even alleviate chronic pain. To get started, it's a good idea to get a professional assessment to understand your baseline, and then choose the type of biofeedback that aligns with your goals. The key here is consistency. By regularly practicing, you can move from just being aware of what's going on in your body to actually controlling it. Next up, let's talk about cognitive bias modification, or CBM for short. Our brains are full of biases, these little mental shortcuts that often lead us to make mistakes in judgment and decision-making. But here's the exciting part: CBM offers a way to reprogram these mental shortcuts. It's like rewiring your brain's software. How does it work? Well, CBM involves challenging your existing biases by repeatedly exposing yourself to situations that make you rethink your automatic responses. Over time, you'll start to notice a shift in how you focus on and interpret things. And it's not just about feeling better. CBM has been shown to reduce anxiety and depression, improve decision-making, and enhance emotional regulation. To put it into practice, start by identifying the cognitive biases that are holding you back, then engage in targeted exercises to shift those thought patterns. As you keep practicing, you'll see real changes in how you think and feel. Now let's shift gears a bit and explore how metabolic optimization, specifically through intermittent fasting and high-intensity interval training, can actually boost your brain health. There's a strong link between your metabolic health and cognitive function, and these two strategies really stand out. Intermittent fasting isn't just about losing weight. It's about giving your cells, including your brain cells, a chance to reset and rejuvenate. This process, known as autophagy, is like a self-cleaning system for your body. Fasting also increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which helps your brain grow new neurons and improves your insulin sensitivity, giving your brain the energy it needs to function at its best. HIIT, on the other hand, does wonders for your brain by boosting blood flow and oxygenation, enhancing mitochondrial function in your neurons, and also increasing BDNF levels. It's a powerful way to keep your brain sharp and your body fit. If you're curious to try these out, start with a simple fasting schedule, like fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. For HIIT, begin with a couple of sessions per week and gradually ramp up the intensity. Just make sure to check in with a healthcare professional before diving into any new regimen. And now let's talk about something a bit more adventurous: cold exposure therapy. Yes, we're talking about cold showers, ice baths, and all that chilly stuff. But don't worry, there's a lot more to it than just braving the cold. Cold exposure is actually a powerful tool for building mental toughness and resilience. When you expose your body to cold, you're doing more than just testing your willpower. You're activating your sympathetic nervous system, which boosts the release of norepinephrine, a hormone that helps you stay alert and focused. Cold exposure also triggers cold shock proteins that protect your brain and boosts the activity of brown fat, which helps improve your metabolic health. The benefits of cold exposure go beyond just feeling refreshed. It can sharpen your focus, improve your mood, and increase your ability to handle stress. To start, you don't need to jump straight into an ice bath. Even just 15 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower can make a difference. As you get used to it, you can gradually extend the time and even experiment with longer cold showers or ice baths. Pair this practice with deep breathing and meditation to maximize the benefits. Finally, let's dive into the world of targeted meditation practices. Meditation is more than just sitting quietly with your eyes closed. It's a precision tool for shaping your brain. Different types of meditation can target different aspects of cognitive function and help with neuroplasticity. For example, focused attention meditation hones your ability to concentrate and make decisions, while open monitoring meditation can boost your creativity and cognitive flexibility. Loving kindness meditation increases empathy and emotional balance, and transcendental meditation helps reduce stress and improve overall brain coherence. The long-term effects of meditation are impressive. Regular meditators often show increased gray matter density in areas of the brain related to memory and learning, better connectivity between different brain regions, and reduced activity in the default mode network, which is associated with mind wandering. If you're new to meditation, starting with a structured program like mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, can be helpful. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually extend your sessions and even use EEG feedback to optimize your practice. Before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room: self-discipline. The techniques we've discussed are incredibly powerful, but they only work if you apply them consistently. Enhancing your self-discipline can make all the difference. One effective approach is called mental contrasting with implementation intentions, MCII. This technique involves visualizing your goals, identifying potential obstacles, and then creating specific if-then plans to overcome them. It's a simple but powerful way to increase your chances of success. Another strategy is environmental design, where you set up your surroundings to make disciplined choices easier and undesirable ones harder. Your environment plays a bigger role in your behavior than sheer willpower ever could. And don't forget the power of quantified self-tracking your habits and performance. By keeping an eye on what you're doing, whether it's through time tracking, habit apps, or even biometric monitoring, you can gain insights that help you stay on track. Lastly, consider hedonic engineering, where you make discipline enjoyable by gamifying your tasks, adding social accountability, or linking your goals to activities you already find pleasurable. Remember, the goal isn't to become a discipline robot, but to align your actions with your deepest values and aspirations. These techniques are tools, not rules. Try them out, see what resonates with you, and keep tweaking your approach until it feels right. As we wrap up, just remember, you're not just changing habits here, you're literally rewiring your brain. Each time you apply these techniques, you're strengthening neural pathways, enhancing your brain's flexibility, and optimizing how you think and feel. This is about more than just productivity or discipline. It's about unlocking your mind's full potential. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these techniques and commit to practicing it for the next 30 days. Track your progress, share your journey, and let's push the boundaries of what we're capable of together. If you found this helpful, spread the word. Share this with someone who could use a mental boost. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on optimizing your cognitive potential. Your brain is the most advanced technology on the planet. Let's use it to its fullest. Until next time, this is Ayla, signing off.